How to transfer money using the Bendigo Bank app. First of all, open the Bendigo application or open a browser and land in the official page. Now inside here, you want to go ahead and simply log in into your account, and then on the home screen, you can simply tap on Pay and Transfer. Now choose the type of the payment you would like to make. You can transfer money between your own accounts, pay someone using their BSB and account number, send money with Pay ID, pay a bill, or schedule a payment for a later date. Now after that, select the account you would like to send money from and then choose and add your recipient. Enter the payment amount, and if you would like, add a description for the transaction. Review the details carefully and then tap on continue, then follow the on-screen instruction to confirm your payment. That's it. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking